So in the video, we'll see how to generate product descriptions by using OpenAI, GPT-4 and Airtable. So this is the sample data that I have in Airtable, and let's get to it. So first of all, we'll have to install an extension called a scripting. So click on the extensions here and then add an extension, and this is the extension. So I'll just click on this add button, and it will get installed immediately. Yeah, so it's installed. Delete any existing script that it already has and paste the script. So this is the script that I have written. It calls the OpenAI API and helps you get the data from the API right inside Airtable. So don't worry, I'll provide a link to this script in the description. So click on this finish editing, and now you have these options. So first of all, it asks select a table. So the table name is products. So when you click here, it will show products. Then enter prompts field, enter output fields, paste the OpenAI API, enter max tokens, and then select OpenAI model. So first of all, we'll have to enter this prompt fields. In this case, I will be writing the prompt here in this field. So I'll just copy the exact prompt field and now paste here, and the output field. So I'll copy the output field and paste here, and the API. So I have created a temporary API from the OpenAI. I'll paste the API here, and then max token. Since I'll be generating the out descriptions to be only 50 words, so the max tokens can be, maybe let's keep it 200, and then select the OpenAI model. In this case, we'll be going with GPT-4, not GPT 3.5. So select GPT-4, and now let's create the prompt. So for that, I have already written the prompt. Here is the prompt with all the variables. These are the variables that you see inside curly braces. These will be replaced by the data that we have in these fields. Okay, so I'll just copy the entire prompt and then come back here. In the prompt description field, I'll double click on it and then select the data type as formula, and in the formula field I'll just paste the prompt that I have already written. Just click save, and here are the prompts for each and every laptops. You can see generate a short product descriptions for the laptop Dell XPS 15 based on the following data points. These are the data points: processor, RAM, storage, display, OS, and graphics. Do not use uncommon words and phrases, and keep the output under 50 words. So this is the entire prompt, and I want the output to be in here in this column. Okay, so everything is ready. I just have to click on this run button, and let's see. It should generate an output from the API. Okay, so the output for the first laptop is here. Let's The Dell XPS 15 is a powerful laptop with a 15.6-inch display. It's powered by an Intel i7, this processor, 16 GB RAM, and 1 TB SSD for fast, efficient performance. It runs on Windows 10 Home with graphics handled by NVIDIA GTX 1650 Ti. Okay, so it's generating the descriptions for each and every laptop one by one based on the data that you have provided. So just that. If you think this is going to be helpful for you, you can get the script from the link in the description.